So what does the journey to gastric sleeve surgery really looks like, step by step?
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Alvarez from endobariatric.com, and before we get into today's video, I just wanted to remind you that we're offering something that we have never done before in 20 years of practice. Gastric sleeve surgery for only $4,999, but only for the first 10 people who claim a spot per month. So if you've been waiting for that right moment, this is it. Please visit my website, contact us, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, let's get into today's video. If you've ever wondered what the road to surgery really looks like, from preparing at home, to packing your bags, to getting your mind ready, let me walk you through this process step by step. The first step is preparing your body with the pre-op diet. This is one of the most important steps before surgery. You'll follow a special diet that helps you shrink your liver, reduces the fat around your organs. It's called visceral fat, and that makes surgery safer. Patients often say that this is their first sign of real commitment, a way of proving to yourself that I'm ready for this change. The second step is getting ready mentally. Surgery changes your stomach, but it also changes how you relate to food and daily habits. So take this time to prepare emotionally. Remind yourself why you are doing this. Write down your goals, talk with your family or a trusted friend so you can feel supported. Being mentally ready makes the recovery much smoother. The third step is organizing travel and logistics. Most of our patients, as you probably already know about this, most of our patients fly in to our center. That means planning your flights, making sure your passport or your ID is ready, and setting aside a few days for surgery and your recovery. Pack light, but pack smart. Comfortable clothes, personal toiletries. Maybe bring a journal so you can capture your experience. Having things organized ahead of time takes away stress. The fourth step is building your support system. So even though you'll feel better sooner than expected, it helps to have someone, a family member, a friend, to walk this journey with you. They can remind you to, hey, keep calm, take it easy, help you with your travel, celebrate each step along the way. And finally, here are a few tips for the smoothest journey. Stick closely to that pre-op diet. Start walking daily to improve your circulation. Practice sipping on water slowly, just like you'll need to do after surgery. And most of all, remind yourself this is the beginning of a new chapter. So what does the journey really look like before surgery? It's about preparing your body, your mind, your life. So when you arrive, you're ready for this transformation. So what do you think about this? Am I missing any other things about the journey to a gastric sleeve? How does it look like? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well for future videos just like this one. And if you're thinking about gastric sleeve surgery, I'll leave a 25-second quiz that will let you know if you're a good fit for this procedure. Link in the description below. Okay, so that is it for today's episode. I'm Dr. Alvarez from endobariatric.com, where we are changing lives one sleeve at a time. Take care and God bless.